Guys, our lesson for today is about the three-dimensional kinematics of rigid bodies. Part 2, time derivative of vector measured from either a fixed or translating rotating system. So our equation is given here. So our vector point A, and here is their a sub x I plus a sub y j plus a sub z k. So XYZ axis of the moving frames of reference to rotating with an angular velocity, which is measured from the fixed XYZ axes. So this is our equation given here. So here and our diagram here to better explain. Our angular velocity is equal to angular velocity sub s plus angular velocity sub p. So for our problem, a disk spins about its axle with a constant angular velocity of 3 radians per second, while the horizontal platform on which the disk is mounted rotates about a vertical axis of a constant rate of 1 radians per second. Determine the angular acceleration of the disk and the velocity and acceleration of point A on the disk when it is in the position shown. So, given here, our disk has a radius of 0.25 meters. So our XYZ axis given here. So our equation, so we'll use equation. The angular velocity is equal to angular velocity sub s plus angular velocity sub p equals to 3j minus 1k radians per second. So this is our angular velocity. Our angular acceleration is given in this equation. So here, so we will substitute it with the value. So 0 plus negative k times 0 plus negative kx times 3j equals to 3i radians per second squared. So this is our angular acceleration. So we can also use this formula. We will arrive the same answer, which is 3i radians per second squared. So our velocity and acceleration. So as we know, our radius for the disk is 0.25 meters. So use RA equals to 1j plus 0.25k meters. This is our RA. So we'll find our velocity VA equals to angular velocity times our RA. Our angular velocity is 3j minus 1k times our RA is 1j plus 0.25k, which is, so our velocity is 1.75 I meters per second. Our acceleration is A times RA plus angular velocity times parenthesis angular velocity times our RA. So we will substitute the values. So we are given here 3i times 1j plus 0.25k parenthesis plus parenthesis 3j minus 1k parenthesis times our, we'll just multiply it with our velocity. It's the same thing because it's the angular velocity times the RA. So we arrive at our answer. Our angular acceleration is negative 2.50j minus 2.25k meters per second squared. Thank you so much for listening. Have a nice day. Thank you.